guys, what's going on? I am here to do just a real fast video on this little wallet that I found. I got this particular wallet off of Mercari, and this is a pre-loved wallet. Well, they said it was new without tags, so but I still considered it pre-loved or whatever. But anyway, this is the Coach Snap wallet in the signature print, and I actually got a pretty good deal on this wallet. It retails for $168, and even right now on the website they have been having it for like $58.80. So like I said, I got it off of Mercari, and I got it for $33. So I thought that was a really good deal. And I had been looking at this wallet, but I just did not want to pay $60 for this little small wallet or whatever. Even though it's a really nice wallet, but I just couldn't see myself paying $60 for this little bitty wallet. So I was glad that I did find that on the site. So let's take a look at this bad boy. And so here it is, and I just love this little Coach dangly C that hangs from it. That's really the only reason why I wanted to tell you the truth. Anyway, so here is the front of it, and then here's the back, and it's a real small flat wallet. So there's the side. So what you do is it just unsnaps, and then here's the inside of it. You can put your driver license or ID right there. And then it has like 1, 2, 3 card slots right here. Then you have another little opening here and another little opening there. And then you have your spot where you will put your cash. And then it has this little zip part right here. And you can put, you know, whatever it is you want to put in there. So I'm going to stick a couple of cards in here, my same old cards I always use. So I'm just going to stick these in here just to show you guys. And normally when I use a wallet, I always double stack my cards, because I be having a lot of store cards. So I'm gonna double those, and then I'm just gonna put this right there, and then I'm just gonna stick another card back there, and then I'll stick that right here. So here it is with the cards, and here I just got some random cards, and there are 2 in each one of these, so it's 6 right here, and then I stuck 1 here, and then I also put 1 up under there, and then I put just a little bit of money right there, and then right here you can put like some coins, and oh, cards can fit in there also. So if you have any more cards, you can stick some extra cards there, and there you go. So this is so cute. Be really cute for like a little small crossbody or a wristlet maybe. So y'all, like I said, I got this one off of Mercari for $33. Well, y'all know me be doing the most. So I was on Facebook on the marketplace, and this one, let me fix that, I end up seeing this one. So I had this one right here saved because the lady was wanting $30 for it or whatever, and I was like, oh, that's not a bad, you know, price for it. And so I had saved it, and you know, once you save the stuff on there or whatever, if they go down on the price, it'll send you a notification. So I got a notification that she went down $10. So yeah, I got this for $20. Y'all know I snatched this up like real fast. So I end up getting this one for 20 bucks. And this one is the snap card case in the signature canvas with the desert tulip print. And y'all, like I said, I got this one for $20. So I thought that was a really great deal. And I ended up actually got both of them yesterday. So I got them both at the same time. So here's the front of this one. And I thought this was really pretty with the tulips. And then here is the back. Super duper cute. I think this one will go good with my oxblood Cassie. And so here's the inside of it. And once I got them, both of them, I just wiped them down real good with like baby wipes and stuff like that. Or whatever. And then here's the inside. So y'all, tell me why. I was on Facebook once again yesterday. And a black one of these came up. Y'all, why was she selling it for $15? Y'all, why did I buy it? Just tell me why. Just why. I want to know why I bought it. Because it's not like I needed it, but I bought it. So anyway, I do have a black one on the way. So $15 was too good to pass, considering these are, like I said, they retail for like what did I say, $168. And I paid the prices, you know, that I paid for them, because like I said, still on the outlet right now they're like $60 or whatever, and I honestly have not seen them for less than that amount. So me personally, I haven't, because I've been having this in my wish list like forever on Coach, and it haven't, the price hasn't went down yet anyway. So this one right here actually is on Poshmark, and a lady is wanting like $70 for it or whatever. So me getting this for $20, thought that was a great deal. So I just wanted to show you guys my little my two little finds. Well, actually three, but the other haven't got here. But my two little finds. And y'all think after I get that black one, I'm gonna be done with the wallets for a minute. Because out here lately, I've just been buying a mess out of some wallets. But y'all, I've been finding some really great deals. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.